happy Earth Day. Today is Earth Day. Did you do anything to help protect the Earth today? I hope so. Don't forget to send the pictures out to our social media pages so we know what you're doing and work on those recycling projects. All right, let's start. Today is what day? It is Earth Day. But what day of the week? Yep, it is Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What is the date? Here's the Earth Day picture. What is the date of Earth Day? Good. The 22nd. That's a 22. 22nd is how we say that on the calendar. What is the month? April. Good job. So let's say the whole date. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. I forgot to flip. Yesterday was the 21st. All right, so then we flip today, which is the 22nd birthday. All right. If today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? Good. Yesterday was Tuesday because we go Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So yesterday was Tuesday. What's tomorrow? What comes after? Yep. Thursday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What is the season? We've had a lot of this lately, and we're going to get a lot more. Can you see it? There you go. It is spring, because in the spring we get lots of what? Rain. But it's not raining today. What's it like outside? Yeah, it is sunny. I love sunny. It's a beautiful day. Can't wait to get outside and do a little bit of stuff outside on Earth Day. All right. Let's move up to here. Okay. Hi, guys. We are going to start by talking today about halves. Can you see my screen? Halves. Everybody say halves. Remember, halves, and we have two parts. You see how this circle and my square are cut into two parts? This is a half. This is a half. This is a half. This is a half. And if it's a fraction, it has to be equal parts. So this is equal to that. Let's go and look at it some more. Here's some more examples of halves. I split my triangle into halves. Here's a half. Here's a half. Here's my rectangle in halves. Two equal parts. 1, 2. Look at my pictures now. This is how you write 1/2. You write a 1, and then a line, and then a 2 underneath. Let's write it in the air. Ready? 1, then a line, and then a 2 underneath. This right here is how you read and write 1/2. So this is telling me that I have 1 out of 2 parts colored in. See that? 1 out of 2 parts. 1/2. Over here I've got 2 circles, don't I? 1, 2. And how many are colored in? Yeah, exactly. 1. 1 is colored in. So this is 1 out of 2, which is 1/2. That's what that means. 1 out of 2 is colored in. 1/2. 1 out of 2. See that? Say it with me. 1/2. 1/2. All right, let's look at another one. Oh, look. Now we've got 2 parts colored in. Because my top number is telling me how many I'm talking about. My bottom number is telling me how many parts I see. And we see 2 parts here. 1, 2. 2 circles here. 1, 2. And how many now are colored in over here? 2. So up here, this number is now 2. This is one whole. The whole thing's colored in out of 2 parts. But this is a fraction because I can see 2 equal parts. Over here, this is kind of like when we were doing our fair share. So there's 2 purple cookies out of 2. Out of 2 cookies, 2 of them are purple. Okay. We're going to come back to that a little bit later, thirds. That's just a little extra, but we do need to know some of that to do our activity today. All right, let's talk about fourths. Everybody say fourths. Fourths. Awesome. How many equal parts do you see in the fourths? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, if I'm talking about fractions again, they have to be equal parts. Okay? So here's my fourths. I got 4 parts colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here's some more fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all the same size, so they're equal. Here's a rectangle over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you can see that fourth part underneath my picture or not. I can see it. I hope you can see it. Okay, so 4 equal parts. Let's look at this over here. This is how we write 1/4. Just like the 1 over the 2 for the halves, 1 over 4, because this is what the number, how many parts we're talking about. We're talking about 4 equal parts. Here, I've got how many green ones? Over here on my circle. 1. So it's 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are colored in. So that's 1/4. Got it? 1/4. Can you see 4 circles over on the other side of the screen? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Got it? We've got 4 equal parts. Can you see it? 4 equal circles. And how many are purple? 4. 1. 4. 1. 1 is purple, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 circles, and 1 is purple. So that's 1/4. Let's write it. Ready? 1 line 4. 1/4. Good. 1/4. Look at the next page. This is kind of tricky, guys. How many circles? You see this? This is 4 equal parts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do you see colored in? 2. So that's why there's a 2 on top now. 1, 2 out of 4. So over here I've got 4 circles and there's 2 colored in. So that's 2/4. This is a little bit of harder stuff, but I thought I'd show it to you anyway because I think you're brilliant and ready for it. Let me go down here. 4 parts again, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my top number is 4. My bottom number is 4 because there's 4 colored in out of 4. And over here I got 4 purple cookies out of 4. So if I gave all 4 to you, I gave you 4/4. Okay? Let's go back up a little bit and look at this one. Because I want to go through some problems and you're going to see some of these on the problems. This is called 1/3. Everybody say 1/3. Good. 1/3. Because there's 3 equal parts. 1/3. Got it? 1/3. Because there's 1, 2, 3 parts. So this is what 1/3 looks like. 1 colored in out of 3. Over here I've got 1, 2, 3, and one of them is purple. 1/3. So if it's 2 parts, it's halves, right? 2 is halves. 2 parts. I'm talking about 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. It's thirds. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 parts in these objects. 1/3 is 1/3. If I'm talking about fourths, how many parts am I going to have? 4. Beautiful. And here is how I write 1/4. All right, give me a second while I switch up my screen. We're going to do some problems together on IXL. All right. We're going to start with a couple review. Now, you should be able to hear my screen. See this little button over here that tells me what the directions say.
Select the picture that shows equal parts.
Okay, so which one shows equal parts? This one, or this one? A, B, C. Yeah, this one, right? And it shows thirds because it's 1, 2, 3 equal parts. Let's see if we're right. I'm going to click it and then hit submit. It said terrific. I got it right. All right, select the picture that shows equal parts.
Right? Select the picture that shows equal parts.
This one, or this one. Make sure equals the same. Is it this one? No, because look, this is smaller than this. And then this is even smaller. Is it this one? No, this is not all the same size, is it? Is it this one? Yeah, all right. Last one, we're going to do this, then we're going to switch to the other kind. All right, which one shows equal parts? This one? Put a thumbs up, a thumbs down. You're right. Nope. Is it this one? Yeah, it's that one, because this one, again, doesn't have equal parts. Awesome. All right, let's go back. I'm going to go over here to the identify halves. All right, let's listen to the directions.
Which figure shows thirds?
Thirds means how many parts? 3. Now look, this has 1, 2, 3 parts, but that's not thirds because it's not equal. Good job. So it's got to be this one because this has 3 parts that are all equal.
Which figure shows halves?
Halves is how many parts? 2, and they have to be equal. Is this side the same as that side? No. Does this look like the same as that? Yeah, so that's my halves. All right, let's look at this one. Which one shows?
Which figure shows fourths?
Fourths. How many parts? 4, right? And they have to be equal. This has 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. This has 1, 2 parts. So which one shows fourths? This one, thumbs up or thumbs down? This one, thumbs up or thumbs down? I hope your thumb went up on this one because, yep, that one shows my fourths, my 4 equal parts. Okay, so listen to this one.
Which figure shows thirds?
Thirds. How many parts are in a third? Yeah, 3. All right, let's look. This has 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts. Are they equal though? Nope. But this one, 1, 2, 3 parts, and they all look about the same, right? This is a part, this is a part, and this is a part. Let's click on that and see if we were right. We got it! Woohoo! We're so smart. All right. Let's look.
Which figure shows fourths?
Which figure shows fourths? Is it this one? What? You don't think so? Why not? It's got 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I thought fourths had to have 4 parts. Oh, you're right. They're not equal parts. Does this one have 4 equal parts? Yes. Got it. You guys are smart. I'm so glad I have you to help me through this. We're going to do this last one, and then we're going to be done for today. You guys are so smart. All right. Which figure shows halves? I don't know. Can you help me out? Is it this one or this one? This one? No, oh, no, why not? Halves is 2 parts, right? Ah, it's not equal. This looks the same though. This is the same as that. So this is my answer. Yay! All right, let's do a little happy dance, a celebration dance. Say woohoo! I'm so smart. I'm so smart. All right, guys. That's it for today. I will see you again on Friday for our last lesson on fractions. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Happy Earth Day.